What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video, and today we are going to Wild Waves, and then after we're going to Oregon.
Why are you so serious?
So it's gonna be a vacation.
Wow.
Yeah. We're dropping off Connor. And
Connor, look.
he's leaving, and we're gonna have fun, and we're gonna bring you with you guys. Bring you with us. Peace.
So unreal, girl, the situation I'm in. But I believe in my heart, this love will last forever. I'm gonna miss you big time, so baby, if you don't mind, stay with me tonight, let's have a can or two, yeah. Come on, baby, is this really serious? Mommy, no, you love me. Daddy, no, you love me. Whatever made it for taking you.
To you and me na para make sense, yeah. I mean, think about it. You that nearly every night symbol, yeah. Look at to get your look number John. Out from everyone, you number one. Think no, you better not away. Wish I could hold you just for one day, but I put to stop it.
Mommy, do you love me? Daddy, do you love me? Whatever made it for taking you.
Hi guys, we are here, and our gang is here too. Say hi.
Hi. You have to hide.
What do you gotta say?
I'm tired.
Cover your faces.
We're all tired. You guys wanna go in the Corona Corner?
No.
Okay. Hi, Joy.
All right. Yeah. Are you excited? Put on your hat. All right, where are we at? All right, this is the gang. Everybody's here. Everybody's gonna have some fun. Put on your hat, dude. Huh? I found my. Are you excited?
Yeah.
You excited, dude?
Yeah.
You excited?
Yeah.
Na 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 na. Jack. Boy and boy.
Get out.
You're here. Y'all ready? Y'all ready? Nice. All right.
Okay. Turn around.
Little person.
Put it on.
Okay. You guys excited you're here? Oh.
There's a lot of people.
Huh? Yeah. Alright. This is the rest of the gang right here. Big family. Alright, we're here. This is our crew. We're at the Wild Waves. So listen up, Wild Waves. We're waiting for that sponsorship so we can get all the islanders in here, so you can get all the money from all the chookies. So yep, guys, stay with us. We're gonna have some fun. Hopefully we'll take you guys around and take you guys on the rides, and we'll have some fun, especially with this one guy. Everybody's excited. So yeah, let's go. Where you guys want to go? You want to go on the rides first, then you swim after?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, let's go.
Stomachache, but oh well.
Let's go. All right. Let's go. Come on. Let's go up that way. Oh, one time. Gloria!
You're under 30 already?
Yeah, I'm ready.
What happened? What happened? I want it around like 1. Yeah. I don't want to stand here for so long.
Oh man, that's pretty scary. You ready, Celine? Okay, me and Celine, we're riding this, what do you call this ride, Celine?
Grab on it.
Alright, it's gonna be fun. I'm scared. I am scared. Woo! Oh, and Mars and Kiani and Lily Enter, they're right there. Alright.
Get that plastic.
Okay. That's mommy. Okay. scared? Oh boy. Oh boy. Oh my goodness, this is pretty scary. Holy crap. Oh, whoa. Oh my goodness. Whoa. Oh my goodness. Whoa. Oh my goodness. This is oh my god. Whoa. Oh man. Whoa. Okay. Whoa. Oh my god.
For the second time. That's so good.
Oh my goodness. I swear I'm really scared. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness.
This is so real.
Oh my Oh my goodness. I swear I'm Stop!
It feels so good.
Oh man, I'm scared.
See, that's for my second time.
Oh my goodness.
Okay, we're starting this out.
Oh man. This is not fun. This is not fun.
It was really fun.
That was fun for you? That's not fun for me. I'm getting sick. Alright. This is the last time. First and last.
Next time I'm getting on here for the third time.
My blood pressure is just flying high
I know,
right now.
it's one of my favorites.
How was it, Zoe?
It was good.
Oh man.
Oh my god.
I cannot go on this rides anymore. Oh my goodness. Where's the exit? Oh. Okay. Well, guys, this was not fun at all. It was not fun. Celine, was it fun for you? Huh? No, it wasn't fun at all. That was pretty scary. Really scary. Don't go on that. Don't go on it. Don't go on it. It's really scary. It's so scary. Guys, it's so scary. What else then? You want to go? Huh? Hey, so how was it? It was good. Man, it was not good. That was so scary.
When I went down,
It was scary.
It hurt. It hurt because my chest was up against the.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Okay. Hold on tight, guys. Hold on tight, guys. Hold on tight. Hold on tight. Hold on tight. All right, man. I don't trust these rides anymore. Oh my goodness. Safe and sound. Thank you. All right, guys. Well, so far it's been fun. The kids are enjoying all the rides except me. I'm not enjoying it. it's not fun anymore, especially when you already know, when you get old. All right, so this guy is waiting on the, what do you call that? Kangaroo ride? That's only because you're scared of the real man's ride?
No.
Okay. Okay.
Waiting for them.
Okay. All right.
I got stung by a bee.
Where is it? So, what do you think so far? Have you?
It's fun. I just.
Are you
can't
enjoying
wait.
the day so far?
I
Okay.
can't wait until I go to the hotel and sleep and swim and.
Yeah. Okay.
And I wanna swim. I wanna go swim over there.
Okay. All right, guys. Well. For those of you who haven't been to Wild Waves, I know many of you have, but if you live in Washington, Seattle, or in Washington, this would be a nice place to take your kids and just come out and have fun. What? You going fishing? That's the other gang right there. I don't know where they came from. What's up, guys? What's up? Woo!
You guys should go on that one over there.
What?
Got us wet. Yeah, look at my shorts. Look at my shorts. You see, what's that one red called? What's that one red called? I don't know.
Oh.
Like splash water on. Yeah, you
What
guys
happened?
You need to go on that one. Goes up. You have to record us getting wet, and then you go down like a steep.
Oh,
Yeah.
you got off it? This is your M3E boy. He's pretty scared. He's scared to go on the ride. Marlon, you haven't gone on one.
Yes, I have.
Nope.
Dude, why are you such a baby? Go on some rides.
I know. I'm going on this one.
Look it.
I'm gonna go on this one.
That's one scary ride. Oh my goodness. Wow. And slow. And slow. Oh boy. Alright. Enough of that. I'm getting sick. Okay. So, they're in a boat. They're gonna go up that hill, up that ramp going up that way, and then they're gonna try to go turn on the left, and then you see that hill right there with the waterfall. That's where they're coming down from. So this overhead right here, I do not want to be standing right there, because of when they come down on the boat, it's gonna create a big splash. So that's a no-no for me. I don't want to be wet. Alright guys, look. Beautiful water. See that waterfall right there? Oh man. So the right, it's going to come up on that ramp right there, all the way to the left, and then come down on that hill right there, on that fall. So, yeah. So like I said earlier, I'm not going to be standing here because I'm going to get wet, but I'm gonna move on the side. Okay. Oh, okay. So those are Right there. All aboard! Woo. Let's go, chickies! Alright. We're going up the ramp right now. Pretty scary. Here we go. Here we go. Woo! Nice. Well, that was it. That was the ride. That was pretty good. Anyway, guys, off we go again to another ride. Yep. See you guys in a few. Yeah. So if you're in Washington and if you haven't been to Wild Wave, come celebrate here. Good fun for all the kids. Okay. How was it? Good? Very scary? Huh?
It was fun.
Exciting? Good? What about you, man? That was fun? Nice. Okay. Huh? Where? Yeah, where's Marlson? Huh? Okay. Let's go try some more rides. Alright, that's Marlson. Hold on tight. Don't be scared. So guys, I'm here with Marlson and we're trying to like find the right ride because he's a little bit scared to ride the real man's ride. Anyway, of all the rides, I mean, we've been through most of the rides and unfortunately he's too tall because first he's scared to go on the real rides and second he kind of just prefers to go on the kids ride, the little kids ride, but he's too tall, so I'm gonna have to find him another another ride. All right.
Let me go call them.
What?
Delane and them and call.
Okay.
To the bumper car.
So it looks like this is what he wants to ride. Right there. So, is this what you want to ride?
Yeah.
Oh, it looks like they're in line. Cool. All right, La Marcia, let's go. Let's go. Come on. Dap. There's Rosin again. Oh my goodness. Yeah, Alex, you broke. Are you going on a trip? Where are you going to? Hawaii? You going to Hawaii? Are you going to Chuk? Okay. Okay, Larson. Larson. Got it. Good job. Move, Elsa. Good job, good job, good job, good job. Good job. You like it? Huh? Okay. Elston! 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 Oh man. Okay. Story of the day. This guy got scared. He didn't want to go on the roller coaster.
And hey, at least go on the roller.
Hello. So what do you think so far, Kringle?
Good.
Huh? You loving it?
Yeah.
Okay.
My second time coming here.
Good job. Okay, let's. Oh, I think you guys should go on that one. Huh? You're gonna go on that? Welcome back, guys. Welcome back, welcome back, welcome back.
Yeah.
Okay, you guys are going? Marcin, you going? You going? Okay. I just prank everybody. Look at this, guys. They're all sleeping and I'm here like so suffering. The captain needs help.